First of all, just watch this video.
Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto, não cessa do fim de semana.
By making videos like this, thousands of YouTubers have already monetized their channels and started earning money, and that too within just a few days. If you don't believe it, just check out this channel called Super Cat Papa. With only 111 videos, they've already gained more than 2 million subscribers, and their views are literally in the millions. There are many more channels like this, and almost all of them grew super fast, gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers in no time. So, if you also want to create videos like this and start earning money, then you need to watch my video till the end. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create the exact same type of content, from generating images to turning them into videos, everything from scratch. And yes, at the end, I'll also share with you how to get a completely free AI voice generator for your videos. So make sure to watch this video completely, A to Z, without skipping, because this is going to help you big time. As you all already know, for any video the very first thing we need is a script. Now, let me be clear, I never recommend copying someone else's script, because if you do that, the YouTube algorithm can easily flag it as duplicate content. So, the safest and smartest way is this: I'll first write a rough draft of my own script with my own ideas. Then I'll give that draft to ChatGPT and simply ask it to polish and improve it. Within seconds, ChatGPT will turn it into a really professional and engaging script. Now, you can still make changes to that script if you want to. But in my case, I'll just keep it the way it is because that's exactly what I need. So yes, now we have our script ready. Next, we need to generate images. For this, I'll be using two AI tools. The first one is VEO-3 and the second is Leonardo AI. But here's the thing, to generate high-quality images, we need the right prompts. And for that, I'll go back to ChatGPT. I'll use the photo option, select an image, and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. That way, it can give me the perfect prompt to generate the exact kind of image I want. This method works much better than just trying to explain everything in text. Once the image is selected, I'll type something like this below it, and you should write it the exact same way. Give me a prompt to create an image exactly like this one, scene by scene, with no errors, specifically for VEO-3. Make sure the quality is 3D. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use prompt for me. And I'll simply copy it. Now I'll open any browser and search for VEO-3. Then I'll click on the first website that shows up. A dashboard will open in front of me. From the top menu, I'll click on Generate Media. After that, I'll set the image size to 9:16. Then I'll paste the exact prompt that I copied earlier from ChatGPT. It will take a few moments, but soon our image will be generated. And just look at the quality, it's super realistic. Once I'm happy with it, I'll simply click the Save button and download my image. Next, I'll go to Leonardo AI. Here, I'll paste the script I had copied before, click on Generate, and within seconds my new image will be ready. Again, I'll save this image to my device. Now comes the main step, converting these images into a video. This is where most people face problems, because free AI tools for image-to-video generation are hard to find. And even if you find one, they only allow a few free videos before asking for a paid subscription. But don't worry, today I'll share with you two completely free websites that you can use every day to generate 10 to 20 videos from your images. Backhand index pointing right, the first one is Pika. Here, if you log in daily, you'll get 80 free credits. Backhand index pointing right, the second one is Runway ML. This one gives you 125 free credits every day. Now let me show you how to use them. Simply click the plus symbol icon, select the image you want to convert into a video, and in the text box just write image to video, along with any specific actions you want to show in that video. Wait a little bit, and your video will be ready. Finally, click the save option at the bottom and download your completed video. That's it, quick and simple. Now that we've generated the image and converted it into a video, the next step is to add music and upload it. First, I edited the video very carefully in CapCut, adding some sounds like a baby cat's meows, laughter, and crying, just like the Super Cat Papa channel does in their videos. You should also add such sounds. Adding emotions in your video is very important because it attracts the audience. You can find all these sound effects for free on YouTube. Once I finished editing, I exported the video and went to YouTube. I selected the video, clicked next, and then went to the music option. I searched for Meow Meow, which is a type of cat song, and selected it. You can adjust the music to your liking. Since I had already edited my video, I didn't add this music again. Next, I moved on to select the thumbnail for the shorts. I chose the most attractive scene from the video, then added a title and some hashtags. I kept the video unlisted for now and clicked upload. After that, I went to YouTube Studio, added some hashtags in the description, and then added keyword tags. I wanted to hide the likes on my video, so I removed that option. Finally, I changed the video from unlisted to public and clicked save. Now our video is published. So guys, you can see everything I explained in the video. If you face any issues, leave a comment, and I'll try to help you solve it. Also, as I mentioned earlier, I'll show you a completely free AI voice generator for those who have problems with AI voices. For this topic, I'll be making a full video in my next upload. So tell me in the comments, who wants me to create a detailed tutorial about AI voice? The more comments I get, the sooner my next video will be all about AI voice. So guys, go drop your comments right now. That's it for today, see you in the next video. Bye guys.